How to use ChatGPT on Discord. Using ChatGPT on Discord is super popular, and here is how to do so. First of all, simply go to your web browser and there in search address bar search for Discord bot list. Then hit enter. Now tap on the Discord bot option available at the top and navigate to the Discord bot official website. Once here, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and simply type down ChatGPT and hit enter to search for it. Now tap on the ChatGPT and there you can see add bot option available. Simply tap on the add bot in the ChatGPT, and once you do so, tap on the invite ChatGPT option available there. Now once you tap on the invite, you'll be navigated to select a Discord server. Simply select a Discord server and grant the required permissions. Tap on the next and accept it. Now, once all of this is done, go to the Discord account on your browser. So now, tap on the server you selected to grant permission, and there you can see ChatGPT option available right on the chats. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.